Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about dictionary functions and methods. Len function is used to find number of items in dictionary. str is used to convert dictionary into string. Max returns key with maximum worth. Min returns key with minimum worth. Copy is used to create copy of existing dictionary. Get is used to get the value of given key in dictionary. Set default is used to set default value and add it to dictionary. Keys returns list of keys from dictionary. Values returns list of values from dictionary. Update is used to update dictionary. Items returns key value pairs. Clear is used to clear values from dictionary. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.